Hello, in this video we will be performing the sum of polynomials using the algebraic method. So polynomial sum is another word for addition. We will be doing that with the following polynomials. So let's start with the one on the left. We have two parentheses, one of them being 5 plus 8n cubed. The other one is 3 minus 6n cubed. We will be combining like terms as much as possible. So step number one, write down the first parentheses. Usually when you write it down, you want to get the notation in descending order. What does descending order mean? You look at the variable, and in this case is n, and then pick the highest exponent. For example, the fourth power would be the highest if we had up to 4, then the cube, then the second one, then with no exponent meaning it has a 1, and then a constant. So we are going to keep that notation. In this case, the highest exponent is 3, so we will write 8n cubed, and then we'll be putting the plus 5. So this is just a notation, then we're going to keep using that. Plus, now it's the turn of the second parenthesis. We have to write it down and line up the corresponding variables. So we start with 3. 3 is a constant, so we have to put it underneath the 5, which is a constant from the blue one. Then we have a negative 6n cubed. So we have an n cubed right there. We have to line it up with the n cubed. And we have that one was a minus 6. So this is how we rearrange the second parenthesis. Now we are ready to combine like terms and perform the operation. We will start from right to left. We have 5 plus 3 is 8. Both of them are plus, so I'll bring down the plus. And then moving to the left, we have 8n cubed minus 6n cubed gives us 2n cubed. And this is the solution for the first problem. Now let's take care of the second problem. We will start by identifying this is the first parenthesis, second parenthesis. We will also be rearranging them in descending order, just like we did right here. Descending order again, meaning you go with the highest exponent, second highest, and so on. Now, in this problem, we have two variables, a and b. So we will take care of which one has the highest exponent on the a. We will be doing in alphabetical order. If we look, both of them have the same exponent. So I'll just choose the one that doesn't have any other variable. 7, which is a negative 7a cubed plus 6a cubed b. So that took care of the first parenthesis. Again, we have an addition. That's why I've been putting the plus. So I will put plus because we have an addition, and now we have to see what can we put in the first line, first column. So let's start with, we have an a cubed. In the green parentheses, is there anything with the a cubed? We have this one right here. So we'll write down 7a cubed. Our next term has an a cubed and also a b. So let's look in the green parentheses, which one has an a cubed and b, and we have the 7a cubed b. And it's a positive, plus 7a cubed b. We also have a b by itself, which we will add at the end. So in this case, the number of terms in the parentheses is not the same, but we can still combine them. We combine like terms. Now let's combine from right to left. There's a blank spot right here. So what does that mean? Pretend that we have a plus 0b because it would be empty. You don't have to write it down. So 0 plus 1b would be 1b. Moving left, we have making sure that these two are exactly the same, which they are. We have 6 plus 7 would be 13. So plus 13a cubed b. And on the left, we have negative 7a cubed plus 7a cubed. Those two cancel out. Now we can remove this plus because there is no other term. And this gives us the solution for our problem.